It's time for a new video, and today we're diving into the best sunrise alarm clocks of 2024. If you're tired of those harsh, jarring alarms yanking you out of sleep, these clocks are designed to gently wake you up with simulated sunlight, giving you a natural, energized start to your day. Whether you're looking for smart features, soothing sounds, or customizable settings, these top picks will make waking up feel like a dream. Let's get into it. Hatch Restore 2. First things first, the Hatch Restore 2 is not just a regular alarm clock, it's a complete sleep assistant. Let's talk about its bedside light. The soft, diffused lighting creates a calming environment that you can customize to suit your mood or nighttime routine. It's perfect for winding down with a book or setting the right vibe for relaxation. Plus, the dimmable clock display ensures your room stays dark while you sleep. No annoying bright lights keeping you awake. Now, onto the sounds. The Hatch Restore 2 has an incredible selection of sleep sounds designed to help you fall and stay asleep. Whether you love the sound of rain, gentle white noise, or something more meditative, this device has got you covered. And here's the best part. It's paired with 3 upgraded speakers that deliver rich, soothing audio for a truly immersive experience. The real game changer? The sunrise alarm. Instead of a loud, jarring noise waking you up, the Hatch Restore 2 simulates a natural sunrise, gradually brightening your room and waking you up gently. It's a total mood shift. Trust me, your mornings will never be the same. Dreamegg Sunrise 1. The Dreamegg Sunrise 1 is a game changer for anyone looking to upgrade their sleep routine and morning wake-up experience. Imagine waking up naturally with simulated sunlight gently filling your room, and soothing nature sounds replacing the usual jarring alarms. That's exactly what this sunrise alarm clock delivers. Peaceful, stress-free mornings. It doesn't stop there. This clock doubles as a sound machine with 29 soothing sound options like white noise, fan sounds, and lullabies to help adults, kids, and babies drift off into deep sleep. With 9 stunning nightlight colors and adjustable brightness, you can customize your wind-down routine to be as relaxing as possible. No need to fiddle with apps or Wi-Fi. It's all controlled on the device, making it a perfect travel companion. Groggy mornings and restless nights? Say goodbye with the Dreamegg Sunrise 1. Loftie. Next, the Loftie Smart Alarm Clock takes your bedroom setup to the next level, offering way more than just a basic alarm. Recognized as one of the best inventions of 2024 by Time magazine and celebrated by the New York Times for 4 years, this alarm clock is all about enhancing your mornings and evenings. With its 2-phase alarm system, you wake up smoothly to a gentle sound, then follow it with a louder alarm to get you out of bed. It's the perfect way to ease into your day without the usual jarring start. But it's not just an alarm clock. It's a sound machine too, featuring over 100 soothing tracks like white noise, nature sounds, and even meditations for unwinding at night. You can even switch to blackout mode for a lights-out experience, perfect for a phone-free, calm sleep environment. Whether you use it standalone or with the companion app, Loftie is designed to create a peaceful routine, day or night. Dekala Arches. The Dekala Arches sunrise alarm clock offers a perfect blend of functionality and style, designed to enhance your morning and nighttime routines. With customizable sunrise settings, you can choose how long your wake-up light lasts, from 5 to 120 minutes, accompanied by nature sounds like bird songs and ocean waves to ease you into the day. Its loud 120 decibel alarm is perfect for even the heaviest sleepers. For nighttime, the white noise sound machine, paired with dimming lights and various nature sounds, ensures a restful sleep. It features easy-to-use touch controls and seamless 2.4G and 5G Wi-Fi compatibility. Plus, keep your devices clutter-free with 15-watt wireless charging for your phone and earphones. Whether you want a practical bedside companion or a decorative light with customizable ambient colors, the Dekala Arches Sunrise Alarm Clock has you covered. HOUSBAY. And finally, we have the HOUSBAY Sound Machine with alarm clock, an all-in-one bedside companion, perfect for bedrooms needing a touch of relaxation and convenience. Featuring dual hi-fi Bluetooth speakers, you get immersive sound quality whether listening to white noise, natural sounds, or your favorite tunes. The built-in 10-watt wireless charger and USB port ensure your devices are powered up while you rest. It offers 21 soothing sounds, like fan noises and thunderstorms, plus adjustable volume, making it easy to tailor your sleep environment. The alarm clock comes with 5 alarm sounds, a dimmable LED display, and a gentle wake-up experience. Its 10-mode nightlight provides calming illumination without interrupting your rest, with adjustable brightness to suit your preferences. Perfect for anyone looking to enhance their nightly routine. And that wraps up our list of the best sunrise alarm clocks of 2024. Whether you're looking for a peaceful wake-up, relaxing soundscapes, or a smart device with all the bells and whistles, there's a clock here for everyone. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.